Me na the enforcement officer, Minister of Lands, Buba Samura, Gokos.
So why una decide for broke this place?
We decide for broke this as you see, so you see the waterway. All the water they run now, so they run. People are deliberately they build now. We don't can stop them times without numbers. We don't invite them, we don't mark X, then continue the bill. Now I mean the ministry thought otherwise say before people they can't die now, we for broke this structure.
So them people there we una dey broke them places and so una be don inform them first and tell them say yeah we say una dey build na very bad side.
We don't inform them. When they start, we stop them. We say we permit. They not get permit to stop them. Then deliberately they walk. We come back, we come back X. They still they walk there. We stop there, say no go home. They do na nets and they walk. Na nets and they walk. This building na nets and building.
So yeah we say we dey so. Now the only building this una well or there is other building.
We don't put other building where they inside the water. If you look, yourself take a look at her. This is inside the waterway. How somebody go build inside water? How much a man for live inside water? At the end of the day, say na government, not to government. Now we are the problem because look the water. Turn and see the water. If they build inside water.
So what's the message you want for send to people where they build na danger places them?
The message they send all over the build and then disaster area them. We they want them, let them left for build, let them stop because we don't give them permit for building. Let them stop for building and make sure say them quit at the area so that the message they give them.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.